Hello, welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Benjamin Patchen, and I'm going to show you through the 2020 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. This boat's equipped with a 300 Mercury V8. Really neat feature of this thing. Great hole shot, exceptional fuel burn, and also some nice accessibility features. Right on top of the cowling, you've got access to oil fill, check your oil levels, and can remove the cowling with this handle right here. As you step onto the boat, you'll notice a rod holder. You've got a raw water wash down. As you enter the cockpit, we got a great transom seat here. Live well, light blue, recirculating. Really neat thing about Boston Whaler, there's no cleats. Everything's through the hose pipes. Very nice when you're fishing to not have things in your way. You look down here, we've got cavernous fish boxes. These have got a macerator pump and the ability to add raw water through that plug, which lets your fish look really nice when you get in. That's how they retain the color. Also with Boston Whaler, you've got the tow rails. These are great, bumpy seas, holding yourself in while you're fishing. 230 Outrage. It's got a little settee station. This drops back, and now you've got a great view at the lines when you're fishing and trolling. Really, really neat feature on this boat. This boat's equipped with Marine electronics, radio. You've got fusion stereo. Really neat thing about these is you actually connect them via Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth. You got a lot more range and better sonic quality. This boat's opted with a windlass. Also, you've got the controls here from the front. As you move to the front of the boat, you've got a head, you've got your battery switch. Bow seating, your windlass. Another draining compartment. These compartments have a lock also for them. These drain also. And then built in here, you've got another cooler that drains overboard. This is the 2020 230 Outrage. Thank you for your time. My name is Benjamin Patchen, 561-657-9377.